Hello and welcome to Narellan Auto Parts Plus. Here I have a 2014 VF Commodore SV6 black sedan, 3.6 Lfx motor automatic, SV6 as I said, and if we duck around the corner here we'll see the problem. Yeah, it's a bit of a side swipe there. Tidy car otherwise, been for 115,000 kilometres. We'll get our compliance plate down here. Got some good leather trimming, that's not too bad. Here's our compliance plate first up. Grab that. We've got a cigarette burn there, which is annoying. And I did notice a little trim there. And they've removed the stereo, whatever was in there. Otherwise, it's a nice tidy car. We'll start it up, we'll get around here. It's got a good boot lid and a good rear bar. And got some right hand doors. See one tiny mark. Good bonnet, good right mudguard, a good headlight and some spotlights. Start it up. Jump in here. There we go, let's see if we get speedo reading up somewhere. Yep, okay. There we go, 110,667. None of the airbags have gone off. Trim. Off, leather trim. Gonna pop our bonnet. So there it is, one VF SV6 sedan for dismounting at the Narellan Auto Parts Plus. You can give us a call on the number on the wall, up in the area out there, it's 0246461733. Yeah, if you need some of these VF Commodore parts or any other car parts for that matter, passenger, commercial, four-wheel drive, nothing too big, nothing too small, Parts Plus video at all you can do is give us a call. Alright, I shall move on. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.